Hello, welcome to another episode of Let's Talk About Tech. Today, we're going to do something impossible. Stay tuned. All right, so welcome back. I just wanted to come to you today because I wanted to give you something that a lot of people have been talking about. This has been absolutely amazing. Everyone is talking about, is the Impossible Burger really taste like beef? Is it something that will fool your senses? Is it something that if it doesn't fool your senses, is tasteful enough that you can substitute regular burgers with Impossible Burger? So that's what we're going to do today. We got to start out with, my parents always told me don't start off with your dessert first, but I want to try this. This came from the Cheesecake Factory. So I understand a lot of you are saying, well, hey, how is he going to be doing the Impossible Burger? And then he's going to wash it down with a strawberry milkshake. Hey, this is my life. Let me do what I do. You worry about you, right? But this came through DoorDash, so it's a little liquidy, just because it's not completely fresh, but, we'll still try it out. I must say, I can taste, real strawberries. I can taste the, even though it's a little melted, I can taste the consistency, and it seems like a high quality product. This was about a $7.95 shake, so I would expect no less. Very tasty, but I would imagine it's even better if you get it fresh from the restaurant. Now, of course, Cheesecake Factory is going to give you their famous brown bread. Looks like they only gave me a half a loaf, and then they got some white bread in here as well. So they knew it was only for one order, so they didn't give me a whole loaf, but that's okay. This is not what we're here for today. All right, also got some fries. Let's see what that's all about. Still warm, okay. Yeah. Fries like anything else, right? Nothing, special about fries, okay? Let's see what else we got. I'm gonna stop moving. Okay. Cheesecake Factory. Looks like they gave me a little butter for the bread. Like that. Ketchup for the fries. Don't need that. All right. Without further ado. All right, so this is weird how they packaged it. Okay. So because they don't know, I don't know if you can see that, because they don't know what you're gonna like on your meal, they send it to you disassembled. And it looks like we have some special sauce here. Not quite sure. It looks like the Big Mac sauce from McDonald's, but we'll see. Upon first inspection, nice layer of cheese on top. Smells like, doesn't smell any different. It actually looks like I have a good coating. Looks like it was seared on the top, and the sides look brown, so it looks like a real burger. Okay, impressed so far. Brioche bun. All right, so, all right, let's start with this. Let's just take a little piece. Oh. Okay, now when you break it open and smell it, doesn't smell like beef. But you look at it, looks like beef. It absolutely looks like beef. Now, everyone's trying to compare the Impossible Burger to the Beyond Burger. Just even looking at some different things on YouTube, some different things on TV, it looks like Impossible spends a little bit more time trying to make it appear to be beef. Even when it's raw, it still looks more like beef. The Beyond Burger does not at all. The Beyond Burger looks like a vegetable patty, even upon first inspection. We're going to start off with just a little taste here. Okay. Not bad. Not bad, not bad at all. Now, I will say I can taste the difference. Can't taste the difference. That was just breaking off and just taking, just a piece of the actual burger. It's not bad though. Absolutely not bad. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the lettuce, tomato, onion on top. I'm also going to put some pickles. And I'm going to go in and put some of this sauce on the bread. Because now what I want to do, everyone's been talking about the Impossible Whopper. I want to give it the best opportunity to mask the flavors. And again, I can taste the difference, but it's not a bad taste. Especially when I know that this is something that's supposed to be good for me. It's not a bad taste at all. Okay? So now we're going all in. We're going all in. Now we have a properly made, burger. Looks like a burger, smells like a burger. Now we're going to see when we go in, does it taste like a burger? You ready? You ready? All right, let's see where I want to go here so I can get a little bit of everything on. All right, let's do this. Yeah. That's the key. That's it right there. Man. I'm gonna wash this down a little bit. Okay. Yeah. That's amazing. It is absolutely amazing. I really can't believe it. I cannot believe it. This tastes like a regular burger. I was a little concerned when I just took a bite out of the meat itself, the plant-based meat, the Impossible Burger. I was a little concerned because I didn't really have that true beef flavor like beef, lovers like. And I was concerned that, this is going to be, just one of those things that's hyped, that people are just hyping up, and it's not really worth, actually going and buying. But when I put everything together, and all the flavors come together, to me it has more of a beef flavor. I could not tell the difference. Now, of course, I don't have a regular burger to compare to at the moment, but just off of a straight taste with everything going, I can tell you that this burger is absolutely amazing. Especially if it's going to give me the benefits of not having the red meat. I think I could go for that. Now, it was pretty pricey. I got this from Cheesecake Factory. This was a $16 burger. So you have to balance out how much you're willing to pay, for a plant-based diet. So I completely understand it, but I will tell you, if you have the opportunity in your city, you have to try one of these. You don't believe me? Comment below. If you've tried it and you have another experience, maybe my taste buds are off. Maybe, I'm just getting this because I'm in a different area and, maybe I'm just hungry, but I can tell you, it definitely has a burger. I'm gonna go on for one more bite. Yeah. Impossible Burger, you did your thing on this one. Absolutely did your thing on this one. Now, all this through DoorDash. This is not a sponsored video. But I did order this through DoorDash. I'm out of town. You can see the different background in the hotel room right now. So I ordered this on DoorDash. Absolute amazing time. I was able to sit in the comfort of my own room and to be able to get this delivered. Again, the shake, the shake is still not bad. I can tell you the shake is still not bad. But to be able to have this, and I don't believe I have this in my city back in Dallas. Everyone's talking about the Impossible Whopper and going in and be able to get that. You can actually go on to DoorDash or go on to Uber Eats. They also talk about that as well. And you can get it for like $1 delivery. So you have to try this. Look on the app right now. See if you can find out if they have this in your area. I want you to tell me what you think. I gotta go now because I gotta go ahead and finish this Impossible Burger. Thanks, and this has been another episode of Let's Talk About Tech. See you in the next one.